What is a career hub through gamification guide? It's a support tool for youth workers and professionals working in Europe and collects innovative practice to promote labor orientation and career counseling through video games and gamification methodologies addressed to unaccompanied foreign minors, newcomers, asylum seekers, and refugees, and easily transferred to the youth population in general and/or vice versa. Why a guide? To facilitate youth workers and professionals to go through tested gamification techniques and find out the best fit to the young people with a migrant background in their career orientation and consequently boost their employability. Then, it offers an overview of European gamification tools on how to involve youth and adults in games with a focus on competences and life skills very important for the job market. What will you find in the Career Guidance Hub? You will find job-oriented practice more interesting and stimulating for young people. The ones to work more deeply on civic and/or inclusive competencies, others on language skills, music, science, computing, and many more. Some addressed to young people, others to adults, and some other more specific for women. The guide is divided in different sections based on the gamification type, such as online platform, project, on-offline game, apps and video games, digital media and storytelling. Each session contains a short description, objectives, the countries implemented in, and the website to allow each professional to go deeper. And then you will find all the information on how to use the ARCIRAGAZZI 2 e-learning platform. The session will help you to proceed to the registration, to explore the contents and navigate in the platform to discover our 16 escape rooms. 16 escape rooms born through research by simplifying the classification of professional families, NACE system, as well as to identify and categorize the most relevant skills and competencies associated with each professional family. AMAM online escape room will facilitate youth workers and professionals to leave youth and adults with migrant backgrounds to attain a deeper understanding of their skills and competencies and to identify vocations and professional fields they might be interested in pursuing. If you are interested in going deeper, visit our website upgrademe.eu or download our manual Upgrade Me 2.0 Career Guidance Handbook from salto-youth.net.